everyone, hope you all are doing good. So before starting today's video, let me tell you that you will get all the solutions in the Telegram group. The link is given in the description and you will find out in the comment section also. So do join it to get the solutions in C++ as well as in Java. So let's start today's video. Today's GFG POTD is about reverse bits. So the problem states that given a number x, reverse its binary form and return the answer in decimal. So let's start solving this particular problem. What are we going to do today is that we will first convert this decimal form to binary form, that too of 32 bits, and then we will reverse this binary value and convert back into the decimal form. So now how to find the binary form from decimal form and how to convert this back to the decimal form. So to convert a decimal value to binary value, we will keep dividing the decimal number by 2 and note down the remainders. After that, we will read the remainders in reverse order, which will give the binary representation. So after that, we have got the binary representation. Now we need to find out the decimal representation. So how to get the decimal representation? So you will multiply each digit by the corresponding power of 2 and then sum the results, which will ultimately give the decimal value. So let's take these two as examples. First, so let's find the binary representation of 8. Divided by 2, the remainder is 0. Again, divide this 4 by 2, the remainder is 0. Again, divide this 2 by 2, the remainder is 0 again. Divide this 1 by 2. What are we getting as the remainder? It is 1. Now, reverse these remainders. We will get our binary representation. So, it will be 1, 0, 0, 0. So, this is our binary representation. Now we need to find out the decimal value. So how to get the decimal value? We will multiply each digit by the increasing power of 2 and then sum up the results. So let's multiply it by increasing power of 2. 2 to the power 0. We will start this from the right side. Again, multiply with the digit, it is 0. With the increasing power of 2, it will increase to 1 now. Again, sum it up with this digit now. So 0 into 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2. Now our digit is 1. So multiply 1 with the increasing power of 2. Previously it was 2 to the power 2. So now it will be 2 to the power 3. And then sum it up. So what is the result? It will be 8, right? So see, here we are getting the decimal value. Again, now let's similarly find out the binary representation of 5. So divide it repeatedly by 2. So what is the remainder of after dividing it by 2? It is 1. Again, divide this 2 by 2. It will be, remainder will be 0. Again, divide this 1 by 2. It is 1. Now reverse this. 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Reverse of these remainders is 1, 0, 1. Now we need to find out the decimal representation. So multiply this digit by the increasing power of 2 and sum up. So the digit is 1. 1 into 2 to the power 0. Always start the operation from right side. Again, now our digit is 0. So multiply it by 0. 0 into increasing power of 2. Previously it was 0. So it will increase to 1. So 2 to the power 1. Again, sum it up and multiply 1 into our digit is 1. So multiply it by increasing power of 2. Now it will become 2 to the power 2. So what is the result? After summing it up, it will give us 5. Okay, so now let's take this example. So these examples are taken from the question itself. So let's solve this. What is the binary representation? 1 So we will only get a remainder 1 only. So the binary value will be 1. But we need to store it, but we need to get a 32-bit representation, right? So to get the 32-bit, just add 31 zeros before 1. So it will become, so this is the binary representation, 32 bits. Now reverse this binary representation. So we will get 100. Place 31 zeros after this. I'm not doing it. Okay, so after this, you need to convert it into decimal form. So how to convert this into decimal form? Just like this. From the right side, start the operation, multiply each digit by the corresponding power by the increasing power of 2, and then sum up the results. You will get 2147483648, which is our answer. Now, taking the next test case, that is 5. So similarly, we will find out the decimal binary representation of 5. So previously I've calculated here. So we have got the binary representation as 101. So the binary representation of 5 is 101, but we need to convert it into 32-bit binary representation. So before 101, just place zeros and then make it into 32 bits. So 00 and 010. Okay. After that, just reverse this binary representation. So you will get 1010, the rest of the zeros, and convert it into decimal form. So now you need to convert the this binary representation into decimal form. So to convert this, just multiply each digit by the corresponding power of 2 by the increasing power of 2, and then sum the results. So it will go like this only, and the rest. Okay. So after calculating this, you will get this as your output. Now let's implement the code here. So you can implement the code using while loop and divide it repeatedly by 2. Like whatever I've explained, you can do in the similar way. You can implement the code in a similar way. But I will be implementing this particular code using bit set. So let me write the code first, and simultaneously I will explain you the code. So bit set 32 binary x. So what does this do? This bit set has created an instance of binary which is capable of holding 32 bits, and it stores the binary representation of this given number. Okay, so this stores the binary value. Okay, now we will need another to store the reverse one, a for loop to store the reverse of this binary representation. So 32 I plus plus reverse I binary 31 minus I. So this is a way of reversing the binary representation. And then just return the long integer. So ul long. This will return my decimal value. Okay. So let's compile and run. So compilation completed. Now let's submit. Okay, so problem solved successfully. So let's end this video here only. So you can get all the solutions in the Telegram group. The link is given in the description. Do join it. And please do subscribe and hit that like button to get more such content. Share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching.